Introducing the TN7200 Relay Module, a reliable device designed to enhance communication performance in fire telephone systems. The TN7200 Relay Module can be integrated with a fire telephone control panel, addressable fire extension telephone, addressable fire telephone jack sockets, and other devices to form a complete fire telephone system. Adding the relay module at the end of the telephone bus can effectively enhance the communication distance and quality during on-site construction. Key features include isolation between the communication bus and power supply to enhance signal stability and reduce interference. Non-polarized 24V DC power input and telephone bus connection for flexible and convenient installation. Stable communication capability with transmission distances up to 1,000 meters using twisted pair wiring. The TN7200 Relay Module is a reliable, efficient, and easy-to-integrate solution for expanding the control capabilities of modern fire telephone systems.